Well, there are so many great Pakistanis that have come to Houston, Harris County and have been so successful and have never forgotten their homeland, but also are making incredible contributions to our society. And so I always honor them. I have many strong relationships with members of the Pakistani community. And so it is good to see how they come to Houston, to Harris County, to make it their own, but to make it better and to share a little bit with them. In Spanish, we have a little term that is referred to, that everyone comes here to bring their own grain of salt, or their own grain of sand, better yet. And you have an incredible ocean because everybody contributes just a little bit. And so imagine how boring we would be if we had no good Mediterranean or Middle Eastern food, no great friends like Robert Hassan and others. So it's been to me a very incredible gift to see how so many people from different walks of life, whether it be Pakistan or other segments of the community, that have come here to Harris County and made it better and made it stronger.